While the FBI only identified the confidential informant by the first name Brenda, a plea agreement entered 1 year ago by a woman identified as Brenda Kinnean suggests that she is the individual who assisted the FBI in uncovering the sale of USPS cluster box units at the Jotnya Mayor's office for drug trafficking purposes by Jotnya Mayor Jesse Blas. The plea agreement, which was unsealed on Monday, reveals that Kinnean scammed the feds out of $450,000 by convincing store owners who were robbed that the FBI would protect them from being targeted in exchange for the cash. The scam played out for a year, from April 2017 to about May 31st, 2018, during which time court documents state she and her accomplices acted with the intent to obtain such property through extortion, quote, by the wrongful use of threatened force, violence, or fear by falsely representing themselves to be and assuming to act as FBI agents, end quote. She pled guilty to extortion and aiding and abetting extortion under pretense of office and employment. In return for the deal, she agreed to assist the government as an informant. Although Kinnean was not specifically identified, information contained in court documents points towards Kinnean being the informant. As you may recall, statements made by FBI agent Rafael Fernandez indicated that Brenda was relocated off-island for her protection. According to court documents, the government filed a motion to release her passports and allow travel to Yap, stating, quote, the government believes that a security risk exists for Ms. Kinnean and requests that the defendant be allowed to travel to Yap and remain there for 90 days unless she is required by the court to appear for a hearing here on Guam, end quote. It was during the detention hearing for Jotnya Mayor Jesse Blas, which the government stressed his pretrial release would be a danger to the community, indicating that they believed he would use his elected position as mayor and connections to local law enforcement to obstruct justice through witness tampering. District Court Chief Judge Francis Tadingo Gatewood sided with the government, ruling that there were no conditions or combination of conditions to ensure that this did not occur.